are unboxing the meal that you're going to take today. Of course, this is matumbo, and we are also going to make some okra. This combination is fire. It is so yummy, delicious. It's been a while. Um, it's rare I cook matumbo, and this time around I saw this and I wanted to see how it goes. So we are cooking matumbo and okra. Okra has many benefits. It makes your skin glow. It makes you lose weight, and also it has so many benefits, especially for ladies. If you're having painful menses, it also help you to ease the pain. So just go and Google the benefits of okra, and also this our amazing meal matumbo. So thank you so much for joining my YouTube channel. This is your girl Juliet Bala. In case you're new here, thank you and welcome. And if you've been there, also I'm grateful for always having you along. Thank you. So let's proceed. We will start by washing it thoroughly. If you haven't washed it thoroughly, it will somehow have some dirt. Yeah. So make sure you wash it. You wash it thoroughly with water, and after that you're going to boil it. So enjoy the rest of the process.
Three, go. 난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜.
So guys, boiling, you can use your pressure cooker. For me, I don't have. You can use pressure cooker, you can use your gas to boil, or you can use jiko. So me, I prefer jiko. Yeah. So yeah, now it's time for us to prepare okra, and let me show you how it's done. We're going to blend some of it, and some of it you're going to leave it so that we can have a heavy and thick soup. You're going to see how it goes. So it's time to clean it, and yeah.
기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서 Have to fake 나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지 It's hurting me But I have to pretend No one cares about me I'm so lonely oh, 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 oh. Don't you cry, baby, even if it's falling by. 내
So basically, we are chopping our onions and the tomato into chunks for us to blend it. Yeah. So that's the reason as why we are chopping them into a bigger size.
Where we can be forever. Don't think about it. Think about blue ocean where we can be
So good people, we are done with our tomato and it's time for us to blend okra. So we're going to have some in the blender and some we are going to set aside for later use. Yeah. So after we have fried our matumbo until it's golden brown, it's time for us, we're going to take the blended tomato and put it. And this time we are going to use the spices I'm going to use. It's not necessary you use them, you're going to use your preferable spice. So I'm going to use paprika. Paprika is known to make the food, it's part of tomato, yeah, so it makes the food to be more colored, I don't know, something like that. So I'm going to use paprika and beef masala to make the soup heavy, because I want this soup to be thick and heavy, yeah, as we're going to add the okra. I'm telling you, this meal was so delicious, and I don't want you to miss on this. Go and try it, especially if you're a lady, and also if you're a person who love these Nigerian somehow food. So that is somehow chili and cayenne. Cayenne is known to be good with health stuff, especially chest. Yeah. So that is salt. I'm going to add a bit of salt, and then later on I'm going to add tomato paste, and also and the soup that we set aside. Yeah. At this point, we're going to add also tomato sauce. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, we have added the blended okra and also the ones that we did not blend. So we mix them both together, and our soup will be ready in the next 5 to 7 minutes.